What's up, YouTube? I wanted to go over something real quick I did to my 22 Scat Pack Charger. As many of you know, these cars are pretty commonly stolen. And if you live in, I don't know, any metropolitan area, it doesn't matter if it's red or blue, you know, if you don't take a few simple steps like put your car in a garage, or if your car has to sleep outside, these cars are hot and people want them. So, Cat Creations, I think is the name of the company I got this from. It's a real easy kill switch. I wired it in. Honestly, it took me like 20 minutes to do. The most time consuming part was getting the bezel from around the radio and speedometer off, you know, the silver, or some of you guys have like the carbon fiber bezel. But I'm gonna show you guys real quick what it does. So here we go. All right, so this bezel is the only thing you really have to take off. You be very careful. There's clips around it. In the instructions, it'll show you where the clips are. I believe there's one like up here, one down here, one in this corner over here, one up in this corner, and so on. It's in the instructions. So you carefully, I think you got to turn, there's one turn signal down to the left, you know, like you're turning a left turn. Get your column all the way down and just work your way carefully around it. You try and use a plastic pry bar, something like that. But what it does, there's like a security box that the connections go into with safety, you know, security bits. So you can't just unscrew it with common tools. You have to have the right bit. I've been working on cars for like 15 years. I've never seen this bit. Some other people may have. I've never personally seen it. Worked in a salvage yard and all that. So it's kind of nifty. You put all your connections, you basically unplug this, put all your connections in there, and then you lock it up in the box. Then you hide your switches wherever. And what it does is it renders your button useless. I remote started my car. It's running. Here, foot's on the brake. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. But if you just, you know, hide your stuff pretty sneakily, I can get to mine fairly easy. Now we're good to go. It's also kind of neat. Hang on, let me try and reach for this thing again. And shut it off while it's running too. I don't think that'll hurt anything. I've never really tried it, but I'm pretty sure it just killed the switch. So there you have it. That's my quick little kill switch video. Obviously, I'm not going to show you where I put them, but they're fairly simple to get at in and out of the car. And disclaimer, if someone wants your car, they're gonna get it. This is just going to slow them down. Another thing I got from, I think it's Destroyer 1320 is the name of the website. They sell a strap that goes over the shifter cable. And it basically prevents people from being able to get at your shifter cable easily. You know, I gotta start tearing up your console and stuff and removing special security bits. And none of these items will stop somebody from getting your car. It'll just slow them down, maybe make them think twice. Guys, make sure you try and park these things in a garage. I got, you know, mine sits outside at the house. I park it in my shop when I know it's going to be a few days before I drive it. You know, it's locked in a building. You got to come through a gate to get it out. You know, I still kill switch it in there just because. Don't want nobody, you know, take no chances. And definitely when you go inside stores or any really populated areas, especially in these metropolitan areas, you know, where there's high crime. People want these cars, and you know, your car will end up on cinder blocks and your engine on Facebook Marketplace and your wheels on fucking Craigslist, and RIP Scatty. So hope you guys like it. Like this video, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about these Scat Pack videos. We're going to start doing a little bit, you know, it's going to be a mix of content. You know, we're going to do Scat Pack stuff, we're going to do C-Body stuff. Still got to show you guys my new truck. And, you know, things I've already done to that. Shipwreck's back, baby. Peace.